Okay, let's now add a chat interface um, to our system. So for that, what we want to do is we'll just add a while loop, basically while not exits like type of loop, and then do everything in here. So okay, so let's do this. So first let's put user prompt equals none. Okay, and then do like while user prompt not equals exit, right? And then do all this. And just put it in the while loop. Okay. Okay, this is instead of I can just put IQ. And just let's put okay, so this is that, and then yeah, maybe just add a like don't care about spaces and stuff like that. So that should give us continuous thing in here, so we'll be able to chat with the tool continuously. So let's, instead of print, let's use click, and then okay, that's gray, and let's say click dot echo. Okay, there is a click dot input too, so but yeah, we are just using input for now. Okay, so this is this, and after that what we want is let's see, we just let's do like let's show the current directory in here. So let's get, okay, let's do one thing. We want to actually create a not that one, in common, let's import some things first. So first import OS, import get path, and what do we need? So we also will get the host name, import. So socket has this host name stuff. That's okay, and then we create three functions: def get current directory, that will be basically return os dot get, yeah, and then another one is user and host. So we know who is actually executing this stuff, user and, okay, get, let's put get here, user and host name. Okay, and then that will be some, say user equals get pass dot get user, and then host is, we get it from socket, get host name by name or host name. I think this is, yeah, host by name is basically, yeah, I think that is that, and then just return something like the first user, and then put an add here, and then host. Okay, that should work. We don't need space. Okay, so that is that. We have these two functions in here, and then we can go back to main, and put here, say, we have to import it from common, and then how do we do that? Get user, get current directory, and get user and hostname. Okay, and then just let's say current directory, call to get, okay, user host, account get user and hostname. Okay, and then let's just put it in here instead of like, okay, IQ is there, let's put it like that, and then after that we put okay, just we put first we put user host, and then I put a colon there. That's how Linux does it. So, and then put user current directory. Yeah, that is that. And then do we need a space in between? I think we don't use a space in here, but we can have a space after. Okay, so write it, and then let's just do a poetry log first. Okay, and then install. I do not think we have to install anything now. Okay, so let's see. Line 58. Where is my... Okay, line 58. Okay, in here something is wrong. Tool calling agent. Oh, okay. So I have forgot to. I do not think I have forgot that. It's probably deleted somehow. All right. Poetry. Install. Okay. 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 And then let's run it. Okay. This is too big. Function get user. Oh, okay. All right. Oh, that's goodbye. That's not good. So we have two issues in here. So let's fix that. First is user prompt. Let's do this. If user prompt else empty, let's continue. Okay, if just user puts why? Okay, if user prompt equals exit is just break. Okay, so this is two things we have to do. Okay, and then in the function, in the common file, great host name is good. Oh, okay, yeah, this is the one. It's just gave us a function here. Okay, written there, and then let's right. Okay, poetry install. Okay, now okay, this looks good. Tell me a joke about software development. Let's just image this thing. Why programmers prefer dark mode? Because light attracts bugs. Okay, nice. And then we exit. And oh, no. It should not run that. Okay. It should not run that actually. Okay, let's see. Why is that? Right here in the command form. Okay, so we have to go to main. Okay, I have to learn how to switch between those tabs. I mean, switch between files. I'm using Neovim. Okay, so if it is exit, input, we are taking input here. If it is this, it should break. And with exit, it should break. If user prompt input, so okay, let's interesting. Let's try again. Did I save it? Maybe not. Okay, now saved. Okay. Okay, poetry, not that many install. Okay, and then UIQ. Okay, that's that. I have not saved it, so let's go back to here, and then just delete this line and save it. Okay, and now do that. Okay, there is no main IQ stuff, so that's good. Exit. Okay, so this is this, and then let's do a commit. Maybe not. Let's just add a. Okay, let's just do a commit. Come on. Okay. And then say added command line chat loop. This is just a loop, so that's now okay. So now let's add a new tool. So for tools, what we want is we want a list files. Yes, list files, list directory tool that will yeah. So let's should we create a new folder, a new tool thing in here? So let's, this is a, okay, what's that? Main. So this is what we have a tool in here, two tools. maybe we should create a new tool like tools file. New tools.py. So we'll just put all our tools in tools. That sounds like better way of doing this. So from small agents, import tool. Okay. And then let's get that file. Let's write it. Oh no, not that one. Okay, so here, and then let's this thing, that one, and then in this tool, in the main, we have where is the main? Okay, so where is it? Okay. Okay. I didn't find that one too. Okay. All right. So in here, what do we want? Small agents dot into tool of any service. Yeah, this is good. So we want to do this. We want to move these two into the tools folder. First, let's copy it and then put it in the tools. Okay. Okay, paste here. Okay, so we have two tools, and then okay, let's just remove from there. Just save it, and then remove from the main. Okay, so let's just remove these two. Okay, delete. Okay, now what we want to do is just import the tools from tools. What do you say? No, not that one. What you want to do is this from tools, import. What are there? File loader tool, and then file saver tool. Okay, let's just run it and see if it is working. Okay, poetry install. Okay, so let's make a directory. Maybe. Okay, it's fine. Test. Okay, so run IQ. Okay, no module name tools. All right. So I have to do this. Okay. That's it, and then come here, install. Let's just run it. Okay, so we are in the test. So create a simple Python. Python snake game, and save it in snake.py file. It should be using console instead of GUI. We could do the GUI too, but let's see. Let's maximize this. Okay, snack file. Let's just go out and then run it and see. Okay, let's see what is that. It's a big one. Okay. Python 3 snack. Okay. Game over. Oh, why is game over? Uh, there is a small into some. Anyway, this is the thing. It seems to be working pretty nice. So let's move this file, because this is what it generated now. Okay. Okay, let's just remove test. Okay, so okay, this is this. Now let's create a new tool called that will be listing our directories. Okay. Okay, here really we need to put it in tools folder directory. Okay, so in here, so let's create another tool class, list directory tool, list directory tool, and it's a subclass of tool. And then its name will be like list dir or ls. Description, description is let's say description is, let's say like this, list the content of a directory, okay, so let's put it in there like that. And then inputs, we have to put some inputs. Inputs as we have to be something like, so we need say okay, so say relative path. So that's type, that should be type string. Yeah. Type, we should put in this. Okay. Type string, and then this. Let's put a description too. Description would be path to the directory for which we directory relative to workspace directory. Okay, just put it like that. Let's put a comma in here. Okay, and then what we want is that's it. This is what we want. Okay, and then since we do that, then we say output type. Output type will be array. basically a string array we can send. Okay, so let's do forward. I have to configure this so it does go. Okay, def forward, and in forward we'll need self first, of course, and then that is relative path. That is a string, and then we will return an array. So array will be okay. That's it, and then we do this. We just let's put it like this: contents equal to os dot list list dir. Why this is an underscore? I do not know. Okay, list dir, and then relative path. Okay, so here is the thing. So if we give it like a root, which slash basically in the root folder of the system, then it will list that one also. So we just let's just put a to do here. Make sure the path actually inside workspace directory. Otherwise it's a security issue. Okay, you can see everything. So this is that, and then return contents. Okay, let's put it in a try, because yeah, you just can fail, and then accept exception as a since we are doing return, we are doing something like an array everywhere, so let's put an array here too. That will be fail to list directory. And then let's also put the directory name here, relative path, and then why is it like that? And then let's put the thingy error as that. Okay, I just put error 2 in here, so the system knows what it does. Okay, so that's basically it. Let's okay, that's list directory tool. And then let's go back to main. In main, it's just file tool, and then list directory tool, and then just add it to the here. List directory tool. Okay. 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 So that's basically it. Let's see if it is working. And go back to the terminal. Okay, poetry install, and then let's into a test folder, go inside there, and then make a touch test of text. Okay, and then I ask this write hello world inside the files in the current directory. Okay. So if let's see if it how it works. So first it should call that list directory related path dot. Okay, this is good. OS is not defined. Anyway, so let's just close this. Why OS is not defined? And there. Let's go back to tools file. Okay, we don't need tool here anymore. Then inside tools we have to import OS. Okay, I don't have import OS. Write it. Okay, so let's just run it. It should work. And then we cannot do that. Okay, so let's copy this thing and put. Okay. Okay, so okay, test text observation. Nice. Text. Okay, so hello. Okay, let's see. Moment of truth. Cat. No. Let's exit this because okay. No. Let's see. List. Okay. Show me content. So you just load this thing content of test.txt file. Okay, it says hello world. Okay, that also works. So all three tool also work. So let's just do that. Cat test and make sure if it is not like cheating or anything. Yeah, hello world we have hello world in here. So yeah, that list directory worked, writing worked, reading worked. So that's that should be it for now. Let's just remove that. Okay, and added tools module and list directory tool. Okay, so that's it. That's mostly it. Okay, so let's see. Time now is okay, Saturday, July 5, 6:49 p.m. and I'm signing off with Matrix.